Hi, I'm Hansel. This is how you get an everyday Rose Quartz Radiance look. Cheers! I'm gonna prep my skin with this toning and hydrating face mist from Herbivore. Fresh. Go ahead and follow your usual face makeup routine. Apply a pink shimmery eyeshadow, like this one from Sephora collection, all over the lid. We're going for a soft, pretty wash of color. Next, pop on a pink cheek color, like this one from Benefit Cosmetics. Blend it upwards and outwards to create a healthy, rosy flush. Now we're gonna highlight our nose bridge and cheekbones with this rose gold Kat Von D highlighter. This is gonna make your features pop, glittery. Let's finish off with a pinkish red Sephora collection lipstick. We're gonna create a blurry ombre effect. Apply the lipstick on the center of your lips, then blend it outwards to create a soft, radiant look. Set the look again with this Herbivore mist for a dewy, fresh finish. All done!